Hey everyone, we're on to our second video here from your packet. This is for the song called Rainy Day that I wrote for you guys because it has a rainy day feel to it. So guys, what I'm gonna do is make sure you're looking at your music. I'm gonna count us off and I'm just only gonna play your part with it, okay? So here we go. From the very beginning, find fret 3, guys. 1, 2, ready, go. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, fret 3. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Now 7, go. 2, 3, 4. 2, 7, go. 2, 3, 4. Now you go back to the 3, 2 thing. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Now here's the high part. Go. 2, 3, 4. And ready, repeat it. 2, 3, 4. Now here's a different part. 3, 2, 0, 2. Start back on 3. Lots of repeats on this song. Look for the double dots on the paper I gave you. Now 3, 3, 5, 7. So this is where you kind of do the walking up. 3, 3, 5, 7. Now you're gonna walk back down. 7, 5, 3, 2. Here's the 4 2s. 3, going to 2. 2 to 0. We're about at the end of the third line. 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Now here's the 7. 2, 3, 4. Back on the 7. 2, 3, 4. Now you have the 4 2s. 3, going to 2. Now you're going to end on 3. All right, now let's play that song with me, guys, and I'm going to play the chords. I'm going to play the whole song with you. So let's jump back up to the top, and you can remember this part of the video if you just want to play with me with the whole song. Here we go, from the beginning. 1, 2, ready, go. Sorry guys, I got a little into it on the end there and I messed it up a little bit. I added my own little ending there, but it still pretty much works. So guys, that's Rainy Day. Practice to it. Keep on playing.